Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will be doing our makgeolli taste test. I have 1 cup of the full strength makgeolli, and judging by taste it's right around 20%, 18-20%, give or take a little bit. And I have a glass of watered down. Once again, judging by taste, I'm saying probably about 7, maybe 8% at the most. Just because of the nature of the way you brew makgeolli, you can't get a original gravity to figure out what your potential alcohol is going to be. So you just got to kind of wing it. So this recipe was the recipe in which I used the juke, or the rice flour porridge. I did approximately 3 pounds. Yeah, 3 pounds. Then I did a pound of sweet rice for my go-to-bop. This has a very different flavor. The smell on this is very pleasant. Very different from the first makgeolli I did, which I really enjoyed. I really enjoyed this makgeolli too. It smells good. Full strength. It's nice. It's good. It's got a sweet sour to it, which is really nice. It does have a little bit of rice chunks floating around in it, little rice bits that coat the glass. It's, like I said, this is really good. This would be a sipper. This is something this would be really good with dinner, steak, red meat. This would be really good to drink alongside red meat. Maybe pork. Maybe a good blackened chicken, or maybe a blackened fish, blackened catfish, blackened salmon, something like that. But yes, the sweet sour of this is really good. It is a very different taste than what the banana makgeolli, or where I used 1 pound of juke, or the rice porridge, and I did 2 pounds, 3 pounds of the go-to-bop. This is much, I don't want to say much better, it's different. I prefer this over the other. The other one was good. I enjoyed it a lot. So like I said, this is really good. That's something you want to drink large quantities of at one time at 20% or around 20%. Okay. Watered down. This is clearer. It doesn't leave the sediment on the glass. It kind of floats inside the water. It kind of looks like you have the water around the makgeolli. It's kind of an interesting effect in the glass. Yeah. Now this is something you could probably drink throughout the course of it, a day. They said it tastes like it's probably 7, pushing it real hard, maybe 8%, but these are all guesses. So, like I said, this is very, very smooth, very enjoyable. Like I said, you could drink this while doing yard work or something. Have you a glass, do your yard work. Like I said, the alcohol isn't that bad. I mean, I'm not advocating drinking this makgeolli and going out and running chainsaws or power tools. Is what I'm not advocating that. What I'm saying is, if you're raking or something like that, this would be pretty decent. This watered down is much better than the other makgeolli watered down that I did. All in all, I like both of them, so they're really enjoyable. I think I will stick to using the juke, where I'm using more juke than Gotobop. So I think, to me, it's more enjoyable. I may at some point get a wild hair up my butt and go ahead and do something with the doing where I do more Gotobop than I do juke. I said it doesn't leave near the amount of sediment on the glass that the undiluted makgeolli has. I also used champagne yeast, where the first time I did this, used distillation yeast. Got right about the same alcohol percentage, but I think the sweet sour is more prominent in the makgeolli using the champagne yeast. So I may go to using that when I do my makgeollis. I got about 1.5 gallons total when I bottled it. So it came out really nice, and I really enjoy using this more juke than Gotobop. I'm trying to repress a burp right now, so there we go. It came out. So till next time, love, peace, better brewing.